In this guide, we'll show you how to use Google to search for specific emails based on your criteria. Let's say you're looking for travel agents on LinkedIn in London with Gmail addresses. Here's how you can do it. First, open your web browser and go to Google. You can do this by typing Google into the address bar. Now, enter your search query. For our example, you can type travel agent, LinkedIn, London, gmail.com. Hit Enter and you'll see a list of search results. Take a moment to review them. If needed, you can refine your query to get more specific or broad results. Now, open a new tab and navigate to the SAM Tech website. You can find the link in the description below. On the SAM Tech dashboard, look for the free email extractor. You can usually find it in the home page. Click on it to access the email extracting tool. Let's start with an overview of the interface. Here, you have the Paste Raw text box, where you can input your text containing email addresses. Next, you can choose the extraction option, whether to save to a spreadsheet or export as a CSV. Great job on the Google search. Now let's copy the search results. Press Ctrl+A to select everything and then Ctrl+C to copy the entire page. If you choose to save to a spreadsheet, you'll need to provide the URL of your desired spreadsheet. Make sure the spreadsheet URL in editor mode. Now, let's see the magic happen. Paste your raw text containing email addresses into the box. Choose your preferred extraction option, either spreadsheet or CSV. If you choose spreadsheet, enter your spreadsheet URL in the Your Spreadsheet URL field. This ensures your emails are saved directly to your specified spreadsheet. Once you've filled in the details, click Process and watch as SAM Tech Email Extractor efficiently extracts and saves those email addresses for you. Thank you for choosing SAM Tech Email Extractor. Visit our website to get started and streamline your email extraction process today. Happy emailing!